Alright everybody, we are at Blaydon shopping centre again. I'm just down here to do a bit of shopping and I thought I'd feed the birds because I haven't done that for ages. So, come on then. Come on me lovelies. Come up here and get some. Come on. Oh, there's a jackdaw. Are you going to be brave? You're going to be brave and come and take something out of my hand? Ah, there we go. Is that nice? Come up on the bench then. Come on. Don't you hear for you? Come on, be brave and come up here. Plenty behind me as well. Just excuse me fingers there. I'm going to be ordering myself a selfie stick tomorrow because the last one I had, it was one of those cheap things and it broke. 3 Jackdaws now. Oh, 4. Bloody hell. Maybe one day they'll be brave enough to come and feed out my hand like the pigeons. Come on then. Come on. That's it. That's it now. See, there's nothing to be scared of. You're really hungry, eh? Come on then. It's a lovely afternoon here as well. Not too hot. So I've every sympathy with yous down south, in the south of the UK, facing 40 degrees, bloody hell. I could not handle that. I'm all going for it. Come on. Come on. Come and take some out of my hand. Come on, I know you can. Come on. Come on. It's okay. It's okay, I'm not going to hurt you. I'm only throwing you some more worms. I wouldn't show you the way like some people do, because you still got a really bad rap. I'm amazed how close that jackdaw is. Oh, fuck. That's it now. Okay, I'm just getting some more worms out of my bag. Come on. Come on, that's it. That's it now. See, you're getting used to me now, aren't you? Gonna come onto my arms. No, you're not comfortable with that yet. Sorry, I keep getting my fingers in the way. Come on. Come on, love. Come on to my hand. Come on. I see you hesitating there. There we go. Oh, look at that. Isn't that a lovely sight to see? You're going to come over as well? Eh? Okay. Come on then, somebody else. Come on. Pardon me. I definitely feel like I'm building up a rapport with them here, as I've done at Lisa's Park. And I was, because it's such a nice day, I was planning on going along the road to a place called Shibden Pond. Those of you that live around here will know the place. It looks lovely. There's a lot of wildfowl there, like Canada geese, but I just really couldn't be bothered in this heat. I am going to do it at some point, like, because I can get a bus straight there, and then it's not that long to walk back here. If I should miss the next bus. Got long teeth in again. Oh, sorry. When you get some more out of me bag. Come on. Come on to me hand. Come on. Someone come on to me hand again. Come on. Come on, you know you can do it. And there we go. Are you just going to feed from there then? Come on. No, don't pack me fingers. They're not food. Okay. Come on. Right, well, time's getting on a bit, so I think I'll make that it for now. So, as always, if you've enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe if you feel like this, and share amongst your friends. So, bye for now.